welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be tackling the refrigerator and the freezer, giving it a good clean down and kind of tidying up and organizing some things. Now when I say organize, I use that word loosely because my refrigerator has a lot of compartments already, so I'm not going to be using containers and things, but I am going to give it a good wipe down and stack some things up and make it look nice and pretty. But before we do that, I want to introduce myself to you. So if you're new here and you're just now clicking on one of my videos, thank you for being here. My name is Lórèal. I'm a stay-at-home working mom of 3. I post motherhood, cooking, cleaning, pretty much all things mommy. So if that's your thing and your type of content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button plus the bell so you never miss a video from me. So we got the Eggo waffles, we got Cheez-Its, potatoes over there. We got 4 things of waters. I think we got 3 or 4. Yeah, I think we got 4. It's another one in there. And then we have hot Cheetos, Better Made chips, lemons. Yes, Romãn. Hold on. Then we have French fries. We have breakfast. Breakfast sausage biscuit things. We have animal crackers that Romãn wants some of. We got the Cheerios. We got Captain Crunch. We got juice. We got grits. Blairè a new cup. A couple of packs of noodles. We got string beans, corn, crackers. We were running out of salt, so we got sea salt. This is just some bath products for the kids and for me, and some more toothpaste for them. Some oil for Blair's hair. We got the rice. It was 10 for 10. The chicken creamy. Yes. We got turkey, bacon, French toast, spinach for a salad. We got bagels. We got chicken tenders. We got applesauce, little pizzas. This right here is salmon. We got salmon, hot dogs, fruit snacks, some more salmon. This is a case of wingdings, some face stuff for me, some beef broth, biscuits. What, Romãn? We got strawberries, pancake mix. We got chicken, the boneless chicken, tons of sausage, and more hot dogs. We got Vienna sausages, little oranges, oh, and fruit cups. We got fruit cups, and that is everything we got, I think. I think I covered the bases of everything, so yeah. Oh, lunch meat. We got lunch meat right here. For Kayron and his lunches to take to work. Mommy. What are you doing, little baby? Nothing. Nothing? Get on. No. Get on, Romãn. No. You want to help mommy put the stuff up? No. Yes? Yes. Okay. Come on.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel.
It's not too bad, but it is spills in the bottom, a couple that's a bean. And then it has a couple of like rough spots where it's like sticky. So I am going to wipe this down first. We're going to do section by section just so I don't overwhelm myself. It's like crumbs and stuff. Just regular little refrigerator wear and tear if you haven't cleaned it for like a month or so. So I'm about to tackle it and get it done.
too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you...
Now that I've cleaned it out and cleaned all those spots off and cleaned the bottom of it out, so now I'm about to start back putting the racks back in.
Who said it'd be easy to be in love? Who said that the sun would always shine? I'm not sure you realize what you are giving up. When did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel fill up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do? Oh, when your train is gone. I don't wanna go back, back. Don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back, back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
This is how bad the freezer is. It is terrible. I haven't cleaned the freeze since probably since we got it, and we've only had it for maybe about a year. So how often do you clean your freezer? Because I mean, I like wipe, but I never take everything out and do this. I do it to my refrigerator, but never my freezer. So we're gonna get started and hurry up before this stuff starts to unthaw.
Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know,
This is how it looks, all clean, minus the crumbs. This is it all cleaned out.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Waffles, French toast, sausage, and here just like hot pockets and string cheese. Then we have hamburgers, hot dogs, and pizzas and sausages on that row. Then we have like chicken tenders, wingdings, fries, and pizza rolls right here. Then we have I didn't have room at the top, so I put breakfast sausage down here, but in the back is like meatballs and chicken meatballs and different chicken parts and stuff back there. Then in here I have my salmon and all my raw chicken and stuff and raw fish, and then down at the bottom I have steak and stuff. So that is how I organized the fridge. It's not really much you can do with a freezer, but I did my best.
Show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right.
So guys, I hope this video was motivational to you in some way. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Bye bye.